All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the issues that need to change for young technicians getting into this business. All right, so unfortunately in this business, we tend to eat our young. The young technicians that come into this business are chewed up and spit out. It's a problem that needs to be addressed. So I'm going to talk about it. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to help with the situation, but I'm going to talk about it. And it's one of the reasons why I started this channel. Young technicians coming into this business are not mentored the way they should be, and it's a problem. One of the issues is, let's be honest, flat rate. You come out of tech school, you go to work for a dealership, you work for a little while in their quick lube department, and then they kick you over to the regular shop, and then you're on flat rate and you either sink or swim. And usually without a whole lot of help from the other guys in the shop. It is something I've tried to do my entire career, is help the young kids coming in. When they ask for help, I try to give them up to a point, of course. If you're not going to do what you need to do for yourself, I can't help you. But if you're willing to put in the time, you've got service information up and you're still struggling, I'll come over there and help you, no problem. And unfortunately, that is not the norm in this industry, and that needs to stop. And it needs to stop from the top all the way down. Shops, if you've got a new technician coming out of the tech school and you're putting them in the bay, you can't put them on flat rate. When they're coming out of tech school, they need to focus on quality, not quantity. They need to make sure they do the job right. Speed comes with time. Unfortunately, way too many shops are concerned with quantity over quality. We need to have an environment in a shop of lifting everybody up, helping and teaching. Even if it's simple stuff, just a little tip on a brake job that they've never done that style caliper before. Helping the next technician. Helping push a car in, helping, stuck bolt. Those little things that, for a young technician, they don't know yet. And again, it needs to happen all the way up to the top. Management needs to understand that, and everybody down below. We need to generate an environment of growth across the board. In a shop, if you're going to hire inexperienced help, you need to have processes in place to help them grow. The sink or swim mentality is why so many technicians leave this industry. You sink or you swim. Well, if you're sinking and nobody's there to throw you that life preserver, you're going to sink and go somewhere else and do something different. And unfortunately, the older guys are starting to retire and we're running low on help, and a lot of techs aren't getting into this industry because of old guys who will go online and go, don't ever get in this business, do something else, do. That'll be another video. Look for it on Wednesday, but we'll talk about that in a little more detail. So we need to have a culture of growth in this industry. We need to work on that. So my thing for you guys is, what's your culture at your shop? Is your shop one of those shops that gets a bunch of newbies in and chews them up, spits them out? And keep in mind, there's talent to be involved. There's people that get into this business that they're nice enough people, but they do not have the talent for this business. That's a whole different issue. But if you've got somebody that has the abilities, the natural talent to be a great technician, why are we not helping them to achieve their goals as an industry? So I know this was really preachy, but I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, well, screw you. We need to bring this industry up. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.